So you might be in a situation where for some reason your face unlock is basically not working on your particular Samsung phone. Now, this could happen for a couple of different reasons. As always, there's not just one reason why something like this can end up happening. The first thing I'd recommend doing is taking a close look at your particular camera on your Samsung phone. So right here, what I'd recommend doing is just going through and just making sure that your particular Samsung, phone, the camera at the front is wiped down. So go through, grab some sort of napkin, grab something where you can just wipe this display down, and just make sure that there's nothing covering up this camera. If there is, that can probably cause some issues. So you might just want to make sure and just verify that that is not the problem for you. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be the issue, the next thing I'd recommend doing is seeing if you can go through and try to see if you need to reassess you kind of connect your face to your face unlock. So go inside of your phone, go into security and privacy, click into your lock screen portion. Right here where it says screen lock, you can change it to your face unlock or whatever you have right here under biometrics. Go ahead and try redoing this, right? Try deleting your older, biometric data and re-adding like a new face to it, or re-adding your face and reconfiguring it. And you want to see if that ends up fixing it. Like I said, for a lot of people, things like that might end up doing it for you, and they might end up fixing it for you as well. Now, if that still doesn't work, the next thing I'd recommend doing here for the most part is to go through and try to update your particular phone. So what this looks like is to basically go through, inside of your phone like this, you want to scroll down until you find your software update panel, which is at the bottom. And then what you want to do is you want to download and install the latest update available for your phone. So click on download and install. And all you're going to want to do here is basically download and install the latest update available for your device. So if there's an update for it, go ahead and download it, install it, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it, and that might end up fixing it for you as well. So those are basically the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.